I'm Ashlyn.
And I'm Zach.
And this is Sierra, and we're traveling A to Z.
This week we're in Yellowstone.
Join us as we give you a tour of Old Faithful Inn and Lake Yellowstone Hotel.
We're staying at the famous Old Faithful Inn, and we're going to give you a tour of the inn and our room.
The Old Faithful Inn is located in Yellowstone National Park near the iconic Old Faithful Geyser. The inn is an example of rustic architecture and is a National Historic Landmark.
Robert Reimer was the architect who designed this, and here is the 50 men who built this lodge. It was built from 1903 to 1904, and they did it all in 1 year, worked non-stop all through winter, and then opened up for guests.
The inn is renowned for its massive log structure and distinctive design that harmonizes the natural surroundings. Its center feature is a 7-story lobby with a steeply pitched roof, a massive stone fireplace, a handcrafted clock made of copper, wood, and iron.
The lodge was built in 1903, and they used around 10,000 lodgepole pines to build the whole lodge. It used to be actually called the Yellowstone Tavern, and they changed the name of it. So this is pretty impressive that they were able to build it so fast. So we took the 45-minute tour around, and they told us the history of the lodge. It was really neat. Recommend it if you're in the area. It's free, and you meet at the big fireplace.
We checked in at the front desk, and then we headed to our room.
Wow, this is so cool.
We're staying on the second floor. This inn has over 327 rooms.
This is the biggest log cabin in the world, and we're gonna stay there. We are in room 109, which is right by the stairs and right towards the middle of the sitting area. It's a really nice location. Oh, wow.
Push.
So this is our room. So we made it to our room. It's a nice queen bed. It has a little area to wash your hands and brush your teeth and stuff. There is no bathroom here, but there's one down the hall, so I'm gonna go find that next. Also no air conditioning, but they do provide a fan, and they have an old-fashioned heater. Look at that. How cool is that? And then our view is of, oh, there goes some geyser. In the room, they have a buffalo, and you could buy the buffalo for 20% off. And Sierra found the buffalo and loves the buffalo. Look at her snuggling with the buffalo.
It's the best buffalo in the whole world.
Is that a buffalo? Yeah, that's a buffalo. I think that's pretty cute that they have that so you could buy.
I'm gonna go down the hall and check out the bathroom next.
So I'm gonna give you the shared bathroom tour. You have 3 stalls, sinks. You come up here. You have 3 showers with a little changing room. And they have their own little soaps. And in the room they provide towels. So nice little setup. It's kind of like glamping. Here's the map they gave us.
We're staying in the old house rooms, which is located in the original section. The east and west wings were added in later years and have modern amenities and accommodations. The inn also has a dining room, a lounge, a deli, a gift shop, and much more. We're gonna give you a tour of some of the areas around the inn.
On the second floor, everyone can come up here, even if you're not staying here. They have sitting areas, they have espresso area, and a bar.
This is what the coffee shop and sitting area look like, and the bar area.
Gift shop open 7:30 to 9 p.m.
The Old Faithful Inn gift shop is located within the historic Old Faithful Inn. The shop features a wide selection of souvenirs, apparel, and unique regional items.
Snack shop and ice cream. Open 6:30 to 9 p.m.
The Bear Paw Deli is a convenient spot for quick bites and refreshments. It offers a selection of deli-style sandwiches, snacks, beverages, coffee, and ice cream. We're staying here and we just walked outside to watch Old Faithful erupt. best thing about staying at the inn is that you are just steps away from Old Faithful. We're gonna go see Old Faithful Geyser. Yeah, we're gonna see a geyser for the first time. Are you excited? Yeah, you've never seen a geyser before. There's sitting areas everywhere. Old Faithful is one of the most famous geysers. It erupts approximately every 60 to 110 minutes. And when it erupts, it will typically last between 1.5 to 5 minutes. The eruptions can reach 106 to 180 feet tall or 32 to 56 meters. It is the first geyser in the park to receive a name back in 1870. We're now going to head back to the Old Faithful Inn. Above the car park, there's an area you can view. Old Faithful has really good views on the second floor of the Old Faithful Inn. Our favorite part of the Old Faithful Inn is the viewing platform on the second floor. So you could sit on the lounge, have a drink, and watch Old Faithful erupt. Old Faithful is one of the most famous geysers in the world and a must-see feature in Yellowstone National Park. Watching Old Faithful erupt for the first time is pretty magical. It's amazing the power it has. Oh, here's the restaurant. This is the Old Faithful Inn restaurant. You have to have reservations to go. They strongly recommend it. I booked the reservations over a month ago and they only had a few left. They will take some walk-ins, but you have to get your name on the list. Oh, they have a buffet? Oh. Hi! We're gonna get food. Red pepper Gouda. And a decent salad for Zach. Gnocchi and prime rib. We just stayed at the lodge. What's your opinions of the lodge?
It's rustic. If you are used to sleeping on a bed of pine needles and eating berries off a bush, it's very nice. If you're used to sleeping in a modern bed and getting modern food, it's rustic.
I would call it glamping. They have a comfortable bed. They have a little running water in your room, but no bathroom. It's down the hall. I thought it was fun. We did eat at the restaurant and at the bar. I would say if we were to judge it based on Yelp, it's probably about a 2.5 star. The food was sort of warm, kind of bland. I don't think we'd eat there again. The bar, if you were to get like a wine or a beer, I think it would be okay, but we got mixed drinks and they weren't that great. The cheese curds were good, but they were still kind of only warm. If you're here, it's an experience. There's not a lot of options for food, so sure, get reservations and go, but not our favorite place to eat. We did not try the deli or the ice cream shop, so that may be different. Can't really screw up ice cream, so I'm guessing that would be yummy. They have a gas station, a store, the lodging, and also a visitor center. So they kind of have everything you need if you're visiting this area. And a bison right there.
We're next staying at Lake Yellowstone Hotel.
You can recognize the Lake Yellowstone Hotel by its yellow color.
Lake Yellowstone Hotel, also known as the Grand Lady of the Lake, is the oldest operating hotel in Yellowstone National Park and is one of the most historically significant lodges in the U.S. National Park System. It is situated on the north shore of Yellowstone Lake. The hotel has been welcoming guests since 1891. In 2015, Lake Yellowstone Hotel was designated a National Historic Landmark, acknowledging its architectural significance and role in the early development of tourism in Yellowstone National Park. We got our key and we're going to go check into our room and give you a room tour.
Very cool colonial-style architecture, and even the floor kind of has that look. We're at the end of the hall and we're staying in room 202. We are currently staying at Lake Yellowstone. This is a deluxe lakeside hotel room. It has a king-size bed and beautiful Yellowstone Lake views. Huge room, lots of space. As you walk into the left, the bathroom is right here.
The bathroom is large with lots of storage space. It has one sink and a combined shower and tub.
there. A little recycle paper and landfill area. You continue over here. You have the coffee station, ice station, some drinks. You have a nice coat closet to put your clothes in. Nice little sitting area. Lakeside views. Another lakeside view. And the king size bed. They do have a business center with wired internet. There is no Wi-Fi here. There is cellular services a little bit.
I hope you enjoyed checking out 2 of the hotels in Yellowstone National Park with us. Please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures.